Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel called Top Notch Investors. I know that the sound is quite of a channel is very controversial. Let's put it this way. It's as you understand, it's a little bit fun and serious. Top-notch investors. Who is a top-notch investors? If you want to be investor, you have to be also a good opportunist. Let's put it this way. So you cannot be only all the time serious and think. You have to be everything. Has to be combined. A little bit fun and a little bit of to be serious. And what I'm going to do today, because the time is flying really fast, and if you want to make a really nice content and to do things in a proper way, you need to push some kind of content that is interesting for the people and the people who are interested with, for example, with investment opportunities. I will not try to say in my these videos when you need to buy something or sell to something. We are going only use and try to find the information for only educational purposes. It will not be neither to buy neither to sell. What I'm thinking to do is looking at the technical analysis and looking at the price action of certain stocks and another instruments and trying to see things from the chart. And what I'm going to do is to look at the chart at the most strongest time frame, and which is monthly. And if I will not have enough data, then I will go to see some things in the weekly chart. And if still not enough data, I will go look for the things what is happening on the daily basis. So my all information that I will put on this on my videos, it will be relevant for still quite some time. It will be not just for one day. It will be still important for maybe next week and maybe couple of weeks after, and months and maybe years. So whenever you will find my video and whatever I say, it will be still relevant for quite some time. So I think the best way is to go and look for the things what is happening today on the market. And today is the 2nd January of 2025, and I can go. I already have prepared 5 tickers which has had significant gains on the market, and we can go look on every single chart and see what things are happening there. It will be quite interesting and quite fun. I will allocate a little bit time for every single chart, and I will try to allocate maybe a couple of 3 or 4 minutes for every single chart. So the best way is probably go to start, and the time is running flying fast, and I already see that is how it goes fast. And I apologize. I don't have no. Maybe I will make some mistakes, and maybe I will say some things not correct in a not correct English way, because my English is not mother language, so I have troubles a little bit of with grammar and all of things. But I hope you will understand what I want to say. So the best thing is probably to start, and I have prepared 5 tickers of the most who gained the most for today in the first couple of hours of trading. And the first company that we have is it is Unity Software, and the ticker is U. And I'm looking at the chart. I apologize, you don't viewers, you cannot see it, but you can open and see yourself and see how the chart is looking. And it says today it gained the most value, and it's about 13.3%. That's quite interesting. It's quite a lot, big movement just in a day. 10 plus more than 10% is significant. Something is happening in the company. Something is happening with with this instrument, and let's go see it. So what we are seeing here. This company has had two significant highs, about $200. $200. I apologize, you cannot see the chart, but I am using some things that I will tell you just before. I forgot to tell you that I am using a couple indicators, and I am trying to keep the charts as simple as possible, and I'm using one linear regression line, which has a upper line and the bottom line, and also has average line. And I'm using a tricks indicator, which is very reliable and very reliable indicator to find the trend. And I have a relative strength index, which is showing us momentum, what is happening with momentum. And I'm using the lines for 40 and 60 for relative strength index, because I want to use it as a momentum indicator, not as one which one means where is the stock is oversold or overbought. So let's look at it. Now we see it. The most high which in the history, it was in 2021. The company has had the price was 175 and it lost a lot of value. A lot of value it has lost during the time since 2021, and currently it's valued at about $25. That's a lot of lost of a value. It's let's put it this way: this company has lost about it is valued about 10% of the value that was valued before. It means that a lot of people, investors, has lost their hope in the company and not putting a lot of hope what things are happening here. But maybe we can find it. Maybe it's a good opportunity of investment things, but you have to be very careful and to see things. What is if fundamentals for this company changes, because a good investor is investing. Combining both of the things, it means must evaluate technical price and fundamental things. So we have to combine both things and to be a good ones. So we are looking only for technical, and maybe the best idea would be, if you want to expand our research, probably need to look for fundamentals. And first thing what I see is that has lost a lot of value, but maybe it's a good opportunity here. We don't know yet. And what the most two levels what I already see that is because it's quite moving down, and every single time the price was broken. I'm using also in the chart I have resistance and support levels, but actually I don't have not marked it, but I already see it from the graph. Where is it? And first thing about support level, I'm seeing that the last support level is about $25, and that is now the very key moment for this company. If it's going to, and the price is also about 25. We have to be careful, very carefully watching this level if it's going to be broken to the upside. And if it's going to be broken about $25, that means that something fundamentally has changed for this company. Maybe investors will start putting more more hope into the business, and maybe we'll see opportunities. Maybe this company can recover. So we should probably, the best way would be to mark those 25 levels and $25 level and look to in the coming days and weeks and start to look if it really gets broken. So that would be the best, is to mark, to put a line here on horizontal line, about $25. That will be probably the best to mark it on your book, to write it. How is it? What is written? It is U. It's very interesting to have it and to see later if it's going to have a movement to the upside or downside. If it moves to the upside, it's possibility of investment opportunity. Okay, we have one, and let's look at the second. It's called HSAI group, and it has gained about 12.5%. Let's look at it. Let's look at the chart. We have already the chart here, and we see it that I apologize for all the sounds because I'm still connected to the internet and all signs. So what we see here? So what we see here, that it's the company is already having a movement, very strong movement upside, and fundamentals has changed for this company. Really, it was again, this company is on the trend. It's really on the trend, and a lot of investors believe that this company has something promising. But currently it's about $16 and is moving really strong to the upside. Now, if it's good time to buy or to sell, we don't know yet. But according to this chart, it looks really that the price is moving strongly and to the upside. How much they are going to move upside, it's very difficult to say here. It's very difficult to say, but very difficult to say. And momentum is really high. I would not either buy or sell here, but interesting to see. Let's move to the next one. It's BTDR Technologies Group, and today it gained about 8%. Let's look at BTDR. BTDR is very not sufficient data for here on my chart, and I will have to switch to the weekly and see the things there from there. So what I'm seeing at the moment is from this is a quite new company, and there is a possibility that is from the beginning a lot of people are putting hopes into that, and it's a lot of bias to the upside. And let's switch to the monthly week and see from where. Right. So I have a tricks indicator that shows me that this company is had a significant uptrend. They broke the uptrend around July in the 2024, and it has broken, and since then it stayed on the uptrend. Currently, a relative strength index also showing things moving to the upside, but it might have a pullback here. So that will be what levels what levels would be good ones to buy, it's very difficult to say, but if from my point of view, I would look at the relative strength index, and whenever it comes back to the 60 level, I probably think that is a good opportunity. If we will have that opportunity, we don't know. I also have to mention that relative strength index can be on all kinds of different time frames, and we have to look at a particular time frame whenever the relative strength index stays above 60 and when it touches the line. And let's move to the next. Next one is next gen energy. Next gen energy, I have like 10 minutes. I want to make this video a little bit like to put in the time frame, maybe to make it 25 minutes or 30, no more than 30, because and I have to look at the timer as well and to allocate for every single. I have two more companies. That is one is Next Generation Energy. It has gained about 9.6%, and another one is Iron Limited, 7%. So let's move to the next one. Next Gen Energy, NXE. Right. Again, I'm looking at the chart of a weekly, monthly chart, and I see things good for the moment. Overall, for quite some long time, investors were quite positive about it, and it shows it is really well reflected in the price. So what I'm seeing now, it is moving. Trend is up. The long term is it looks like it's uptrend, but we might seeing some kind of pullback. But pullback, we don't know where is going to be, or maybe the pullback can be the one who make this company bearish. But for the moment, is everything looking fine, and at the moment, particularly myself, I don't see here opportunity. It's just a chart, and things are showing that things are going well for the company, but I'm seeing some kind of pullback. They're coming in the next weeks or months, and after that, if everything is going well with the company's fundamentals, maybe the price will start improving. But for the moment, it's actually that I probably can switch to the weekly and see the things how is going well, and well, only thing what I'm seeing here is about the support is about $5.50 around, about $5, and it has been it has been quite worked really well as a support for last time, but we have to see how things go later. We have to watch this level $5 and see how things going after that. Next one is IREN Limited. It has gained 7%, and let's look at the chart. Okay, now it's a perfect example how things worked for this company. The company has really pessimistic view till the middle of till January 2023, and since then it started, things has changed, and people are putting investors putting a little bit more hope on this, but and it has a lot of mixed things in a couple of years. Since before 2023 it was really bullish and reached around it was really devalued around $1, and since then it increased about 10. So tenfold increase in about 1 year. That is interesting to see. I could also, because things have changed from February 2023, it's probably, well, and I see the constant trade that is happening here. Probably a good idea will be switch to the weekly chart and see things from there. Right now, if all the things are going well, if all the things are really going well, then we should see here a bounce about till maybe $8 or $8 maybe. I see the trend line that is quite strong, and bounce should be around 8, and it would be interesting to watch if it holds this value or not. But for the moment, it still has a lot of gas to continue its momentum here. It has quite significant, and trend is not very strong. It's quite medium, and we don't see yet that anything happening here that would be bearish. But for the moment, like momentum is retracing back, is making like some kind of pullback. So for the moment, probably that will be somewhere to hold, to see opportunity if you can buy around 8 and maybe sell around double of a price, 18, maybe 16 or maybe 15. That's probably double of return on investment. But you have to go and look things much more careful and set the levels, in my opinion. So thank you very much for watching my first video, and I hope I did not make of course I made a lot of mistakes, and things are not so perfect for my video, but I wanted to say that we're living in very interesting times when all kinds of people, professions are moving to the YouTube and trying to make a content here. So I thought it will be a good time for me and to start uploading some kinds of video information and see how people like it or not. And maybe what I have seen from the beginning, it's very difficult to set up and to do even things for recording yourself. It looks like when you have the things, on your arm, and you can do it very easy, but it's not so easy to when you really start it. It has to be really a lot of effort. Not only effort, but it has to be a lot of force in the mind and will, and also it involves a lot of finances to fund these things. So it's not an easy thing. And also it looks like that you need to have some kind of effortless speech, because when you want to get a purple, you need to send the content effortlessly to this platform. And still we don't know if we can make a success, but let's try. If it happens, if we can make it. So thank you very much, and for watching my first video that I tried to set up how the things, how in the way I can, because it's everything is limited by my force, but my mind tried to set up the things in this way, and I have a camera, I have a sound, and all the things are here, so just need to put my energy and to do things. So I wanted to say to wish everybody, to congratulate everybody with a new 2025 year, and let's see if this year brings us a lot of good things, because this year is controversial and will be a lot of positive things and a lot of negative things. So, but those who are concentrated on the positive things will get a positive things. So everybody wish to get positive things and to look in the world in a positive way. So I have to finish my video, and I have to thank you, and soon I will try to make another video about another topic or another types, maybe some things that lost the value, or the companies who were most actively traded. And thank you very much, and have a good day.